Hi everyone, I'm Melanie from Emerald Coast Fabrication. Welcome back. Last time we was talking about kitchen, but this time we were talking about bathrooms. Too many people choose their plumbing and paint first and treat the stone as an afterthought. But if you want a true resort styles oasis, you have to build from the stone up. Today I'm going to walk you through 3 completely different bathroom designs, starting with 3 very different stones. And stay tuned because I wanted to show you another extra material that is really popular and then people don't think they can use it on bathrooms. Let me show you those designs. Gold. This is the most popular material to using for luxurious bathrooms. So let me show you how we look in the design. It has a crisp white background with stunning sweeping veins of gold and soft gray. Because this stone is so elegant, we want a design that leans into warm and organic textures. I love to pairing this with a warm tumbled limestone on a main bathroom floor. For the shower walls, handmade white Zellige tile adds a beautiful glossy texture without competing with the marble veining. Keep the walls painting in a soft creamy white. To ground the space, use a natural clear sealed white oak vanity. The wood tones will naturally enhance the gold in the stone. Unlacquered brass or champagne bronze plumbing fixtures are the absolute must here. They peel the warm veining right out of the stone. For lining, frame your mirrors with elegant brass wall sconces featuring classic linen shades to keep the lining soft and flattering. Next up, let's go to bold the Michelangelo Quartzite. Welcome to Michelangelo Quartzite. This is the most beautiful material that we have in our shop. So take a look about how we look in our design. It features bold, fiery veins of burgundy, rust, and deep charcoal. Because this stone is a literal piece of art, the room needs to feel moody and architectural. A large format matte charcoal slate floor grounds the space beautifully and lets the countertop be the star. In the shower, keep it slick with the dark, vertically stacked porcelain tile. I will pair this slab with a rich flat panel walnut vanity. For the walls, don't be afraid to go dark and deep. Moody charcoal or even a dark muted purple will make those fiery veins in the quartzite pop. Matte black plumbing provides a striking contemporary edge that doesn't distract from the movement of the stone. Finish the look with a sleek modern frosted glass LED sconces that feels structural and minimalist. Alright everyone, we are right now in our beautiful quartz Taj Mahal. So this is our lowest price instead of using natural stone, so take a look. This quartz features the beauty soft Taj Mahal background with a subtle warm taupey veining. This is incredible durable, making perfect for high traffic family bathroom or a luxury 38 vacation rental. For this design, we wanted to Serene Transitional spa vibe. With wood porcelain planks on the floor paired with the classic ceramic subway tile on the shower, keeps everything bright and airy and incredible easy to clean. We are leaning into soft beige or pearl accent paired with beige warm wax to keep the room feeling expansive. Polished nickel or gold plumbing fixtures are perfect here. Polished nickel acts as a silent warm undertone that beauty complements the taupey and the quartz, while it's still giving you that high-end hotel feel. And some classic glass globe vanities consist, and you have the flawless, relaxing space. And now, our extra material, porcelain. So this is really popular right now, kicking off of the bathrooms in 38. You can do all the sorts of different designs. But I like the idea of keeping warm and earthy with wood fixtures and accent and a soft colors to give it an invited energy. Designing a bathroom doesn't have to be overwhelming when you let the stone to do the storytelling. If you are ready to transform your primary suite into a private oasis, come to visit our showroom here in Panama City Beach. Let's take a look to some slabs together and build your dream space from the stone up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and comment below which of the 4 designs are you favorite.